The price of stainless steel tubing can vary based on factors like steel grade, tubing size, thickness, manufacturing method, and market conditions. Generally pricier than carbon steel, stainless steel comes in various grades influencing cost. Factors affecting tubing cost include size, thickness, finish, manufacturing process, market conditions, certifications, and supplier choice. Obtaining quotes from multiple suppliers is essential. Considering project needs, although stainless steel is generally costlier, its corrosion resistance and durability make it a cost-effective choice for certain applications. Factors influencing stainless steel tubing cost. Grade variation. Stainless steel grades with differing properties impact cost. Common grades like 304 and 316 may be more cost-effective than specialty grades. Size and thickness. Larger or thicker tubing generally costs more due to increased material usage. Surface finish and treatment. Different surface finishes and treatments can affect the overall cost of tubing. Manufacturing process. Seamless tubing is often pricier due to the intricacies of the manufacturing process. Market conditions. Stainless steel prices can fluctuate based on market dynamics, global economics, and raw material costs. Certifications and standards. Tubing meeting specific industry standards may have varied pricing, with specialized certifications potentially increasing costs. Supplier and location. The choice of supplier and their location can influence cost due to factors like shipping availability and reputation. Obtaining quotes from various suppliers is crucial, considering project specifics. Despite being generally more expensive, stainless steel's corrosion resistance and durability make it cost-effective for applications where these characteristics are essential. We stock stainless steel Type 201, 301, 304, 304L, 316, 316L, 409, 430, and 439 in core, sheet, and plate form. Besides these types, we can obtain other types and forms as per your specifications. There are many steel core products. Welcome to inquire.